The symbolism of the poem is fire means desire or greediness, cruelty. Ice means hatred. Then mood of the poem is warning. It gives a warning. The writer gives a warning about our conscience, or about our greediness, or about our hatred. Or if we didn't control our desire or greediness, it will cause to the end of the world. And in other ways, if we didn't control our hatred or hate, then it will cause to end of the world. Then next one is poetic device. First one is anaphora. Anaphora means the two or more than two lines are start with the same sound or same word. That is anaphora. First two lines, some say. The same words are repeated, so it is called anaphora. And second one is enjambment. Enjambment means that without any punctuation mark, two or more than two lines are there, means we can divide, or we can say that is an enjambment. So last three lines, to say that for destruction ice is also great and would suffice. There is no punctuation mark in these first two lines, so we can say this is the example of enjambment. And third one is alliteration. The first two lines are same, repeated words or repeated consonants or repeated sounds are there in the same line. That is some say. See, the first line, some say, yes or s consonant sound is repeating, so this is alliteration. And next line also some say, so that is the example of alliteration. And fourth poetic device is assonance. Assonance means vowel sound are repeated in the middle of the line. That is, I think I know enough of hate. See, vowel sound. Vowel letter also repeated in the same line. O is repeated here, O is repeated in the next enough, and of hate is repeated here. So that is assonance. So these four poetic devices used here: anaphora, enjambment, alliteration, and assonance. Now, this is the poem. Summary of the poem is: this is written by Robert Frost. It is published in the year of 1920 December, and this is a symbolic poem. Fire and ice is symbolically represented. Fire as desire of human being, or greediness or cruelty or materialistic desire of human being, and ice is the hatred of human being, or क्या है, इंसान का डिजायर, अभिलाषा और इच्छा को दिखाते, और कितना मिलेगा तो भी जो इच्छा को खत्म नहीं कर सकते, वो और ग्रीडीनेस, that is fire. And second one is ice or hatred, नफरत, दूसरों के प्रति जो चीज के लिए हमारा अंदर का नफरत को दिखाते हैं, ये दोनों दुनिया को खत्म कर सकते। तो जो यहाँ पर सम से इस रिपीटेड, तो यहाँ पर रॉबर्ट फ्रोस्ट ने जो रॉबर्ट फ्रोस्ट कुछ लोगों के साथ बात किया है, नहीं तो साइंटिस्ट के साथ बात किया है। उनका कहना कैसा है, फायर जो दुनिया है अर्थ फायर से नहीं है तो आइस से खत्म होने वाला है। तो उन्होंने अपना तरीका से, अपना जो पोएटिकल टर्म से उन्होंने वो इमेजिन कर लिखा है। फायर means desire of human being or greediness of human being, and second one is ice. Ice is the hate or hatred mind of human being. ये दोनों इंसान को खत्म करते हैं, दुनिया को खत्म करते हैं. That is the summary of the poem. Now here we completed the poem. Now the rhyme scheme is A B A and A B C and B C B. This is the two stanzas poem, very short poem, and here the symbolism or two symbols are used, fire and ice. Fire is the desire of human being and ice is the hate of human being. Next one is mood of the poem is warning. The poet is here giving some warnings to human beings. If we didn't control our greediness or our hatredness, then the earth will spoil or earth will destruct or earth will end. Then next one is poetic device. Say for poetic device is used mainly in this two stanzas. First one is anaphora, that is the example of first two lines. Second one is the enchantment, that is the example of last three lines. And third one is alliteration, that is first two lines, it is repeated sounds, consonant sounds. And fourth one is assonance. Assonance is the example of sixth line, that is repeated vowel sound. It is repeated in this line, vowel sound is repeated. So this is the end of the poem. Now we completed the poem. So go through the poem, read it and learn the question answers and find the question answers. I will give some extra questions for you. So go through it, write the question answers and learn the question answers. Here we completed the first unit.